Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm excited because I got my April ice cream beauty box and I'm super excited to see what I got inside, so stay tuned. The April month is called Spring Has Sprung and this is the list with all the items and the prices. And the first thing I see here is this 6-color contour palette by Chica Beauty Studio. These are the shades. So let's see what the colors look like. Oh, it brings a mirror. Oh, that's pretty. And it has a beautiful message inside here in the below the mirror. It's in Spanish. Con mucho amor para ti, preciosura. Recuerda divertirte, el maquillaje es arte, by Edri Ramirez. And these shades right here, the bottom shades, look pretty good. Let me just swatch these 3 colors for you, the bottom ones. Oh, those are nice. Those are nice and very pigmented and soft. And that retails for $10. And I see a little box here. Earth Harbor Glow Juice. A refining enzyme mask. Ooh, a mask. I don't think I've ever gotten anything like skincare in their boxes before, so this is good. Again, all of these products are vegan, cruelty free. They are no gluten added, and of course woman owned, Latina to be precise. This retails for 40 bucks, and it says, with the start of the spring season, we wanted to give your skin a little boost and refresh with this refining enzyme mask. This can be used as an all-over mask or as spot treatment. This mask can help with dull skin, redness, acne, pores, and excess oil. Okay, sounds really good. Look how pretty it looks inside. Oh, it's like a jelly consistency. Let me open it. I like the color. Yeah, see, it's like a jelly. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I wonder if this is like whenever you want to use it, or is it for morning or nighttime? Let me check. The ritual: apply to clean skin, leave on 3 minutes, rinse. As a spot treatment, apply 1 to 3 times daily or as needed. Okay, super excited about this. Oh, I remember these. I got this, I think, in February's box, or not March. I think it was February. And they brought 2 of these Candy Chrome loose eyeshadows, and I tried them out. That video is up. Now I have 2 other shades. I can't wait to see these colors. These retail for $24. And it says, we are so excited to help Chantico Beauty launch their 5 new, these are new, Candy Chrome shades by giving each of you 2 to try. So these are the new ones. Let me open it up, and it's so cute because it looks like a candy. I did like the other 2 that I got, and I tried it out in a separate video, and they were very pretty. Messy, but pretty. Gotta be really careful with it. Look at that one. I'm not gonna open it because I know it's gonna crumble out because it's loose. But that one looks very pretty. And this is the other one. So I got one that's more like bronze reddish, and this one's more gold. I see the palette. I think this is the palette. The Lovers. This is by, where's the name? Okay, Saucebox Cosmetics. And this is the Lovers palette, and this retails for $25. And it opens this way. Definitely perfect for spring. Those look very pretty, and the mirror is pretty good. Can't wait to try this. And the last thing I see is by Kevin and Coco. Wait, what is this? Oh, 6-color highlights. This is the purple highlighter palette by K&C Beauty, which retails for $17. This palette can be used as an eyeshadow or as highlight. Oh, okay. Let me open it up. I love the packaging. I mean, it's purple. Hello, I love purple. Oh, this looks stunning, and I don't think the camera is gonna do it justice. I'm gonna try to show you how gorgeous and glowy this looks. I'm gonna try to turn down the lights and see if that helps. These are the bottom three. Hopefully you can see it, but it's gorgeous. They're so pretty. I'm gonna start with the palette first, the Lovers palette. I don't know what look to do. It's so pretty. Ooh, but I like this color. I'm gonna start with that yellow. This is a very, very light yellow, and since my skin tone tends to be more on the yellow side, I have to really go in with a couple of layers so it could show up. But there it is. I'm gonna go in with this shade. Now I'm going in with this one. Are they the best quality? No, but they're not bad either. I just wish it was less chalky and it had more pigment. But other than that, it's not bad. Right now, these two colors, they could have substituted one of these shades for another one because they look identical. Like really, really identical. There's no difference in them. I thought one was going to be a little bit lighter than the other one. So in this part here, I think I'm going to add that color, which is the only shimmer in the palette, to see how it looks. I'm going to add Glitter Primer first by NYX, and I'll be back. Oh, that's nice. For the bottom, I'm going to use this pink over here. And I'm going to stick with the pinks at the bottom to try them out. Now I'm going with this one. I'm going to add some eyeliner, falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I added these lashes by Kara Beauty. Love them. And I added in my waterline this blue eyeliner that I thought was fitting for the eyeshadow look that I have going on, by Bettina, and this is in the shade Sky. I love that color. So now I'm gonna try the contour palette and see which one I want to use. I think I'm gonna start with that light shade first, this one or these two right here, and see, because I don't want to overdo it either. For some reason, these remind me of the Colorina palettes, contour palettes that they have, but I've never tried this one before, which is by Chica Beauty. That one shows up pretty well. It's very pigmented. I like that. Let me just add another blush that I got here because this box didn't bring one. This one's by Miss Young. Now for the highlight. I don't know which one to use, and I forgot the swatches because I already cleaned my hand, but I don't know which one to use. Okay, this one's straight up gold. Then this one, when you swirl it, is a lilac, which, oh, but there was another lilac here. I don't know if it was this one. No, I think it was this one. Yeah, that one's more on the pink side. I don't know why I want to try this one, but I don't know if it's gonna be too dark for me. Let me check another one here. Okay, this one's also a lilac. I think I'm gonna use that one, or should I try two different ones on each side? But I have to run a couple of errands, so I don't think I can do that. I'll try. Which one was it? I forgot which one it was. Let me try this one on one side. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna be too, oh wait, I was gonna switch to another one. So then let me swirl this one and see if I, oh, that one's lighter. They're both lilac, but this one is a little bit lighter than the other one. So I'm gonna stick with this one. Let me even it out on this side. I'm gonna use this one over here for right there. Oh, that one's really blinding. And up here, I gotta tone that down. And then I'm gonna use this also right here. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna use another one. I think I'm gonna use this one for the inner corner. Look how bright that looks now. That is very, very blinding. Some of these are more blinding than others. Like for instance, this one and this one are really, really blinding. So I finished my lips with the ELF in shade Dirty Talk. And I topped it off with the Milani lip toppers, I think they're called. They're called Hypnotic Lights. And this is the final look. What do you think? I actually like this candy cotton type of thing that I created. This palette is pretty good. My only complaint with the palette is that I wish, this is the star of the palette right here. That shimmer, the only shimmer it brings, is so good. And I wish they could have substituted one of these because they're identical. Eliminate one of these and added a different shade of that one. That would have been perfect. But that's just me, you know, nitpicking. But overall, this palette is pretty good. This I love. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use of this one. I really love all the colors that I tried. They're very pigmented, these two especially, and they're very shiny. I like this a lot. The contour palette is good. I like it. It's more on the warm side. Next time, I think I'm gonna try this shade right here and see. I think it's gonna be too dark for me, but I'm gonna try it anyway because this is the only one that seems more cool tone than the rest. The rest are really warm, which I don't typically like warm bronzers or contouring shades, but I'm gonna try this one and see. But overall, it's pretty good. It's very pigmented. These, I already know the quality of it and I do like them. I'll try this in another video and see what I create with these. And I will let you know in the description box if I like this, because this is a mask, so I can use it now to try it out. But I'm definitely gonna use this. Overall, I like what I got in my box this month. It was great. Let me know what you think of the box. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Itches. And if you did get this box, and if you did guess, is that my phone? That is my phone. This headband keeps falling. I have no head. Hair, please, more hair. Oh.